Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful wig using Yiroo hair. They sent me the Peruvian curly in the inches 18, 220s, and a 16 lace frontal. This will be a very detailed video, so get your drink and relax, and let's get started. Bella Bricks. So I'm going to start off by bleaching the nuts. As you all know, whenever you receive the frontal, it comes with those black dots that we don't really want on our head. So I'm going to show you guys how I bleached my hair. You'll be needing a bowl, your bleaching powder, a knife, your developer, and of course some gloves because you don't want to touch it with your bare hands. In my bowl, I put my bleaching powder and I add some of my developer. I mix it together till I get a pasty consistency. This is very important. You don't want your bleach to be too liquidy because you might run the risk of getting the bleach through the lace, which will eventually touch your hair. And we don't want that. So now I lightly put the bleach on my lace. I almost put it on like butter pretty much. Just light butter on your bread. So just add it through the whole lace. Once I put the bleach all over the lace, I put it on some foil and let it sit for about 30 minutes. So once the time is up, you can visually see that the lace is a bit darker and a bit orangey. So now it's time to wash the frontal. So I'll wash my frontal with a Shimmer Light shampoo because that removes a little bit of that orangey look the frontal has after you bleach it. So let's just wash this hair and get to the fun part, which is actually making the wig. Here's a quick look on the frontal once it's totally bleached. You can see the black dots are removed. Okay, everyone say hi to Belinda. This is actually a new wig cap that I found, which is called the lace frontal wig cap. And I really liked how it already had a section where it shows where you start the hair and where you put your frontal. So this is my first time using this cap and I honestly really loved it. And it was so easy to use. So now that I've added the lace frontal to the wig cap, all that is left is these beautiful bundles. Honestly, look at the curl pattern. We add the bundles to the wig cap. So I start with my 220 bundles and then my 18-inch bundle. Honestly, you guys know how it goes. I'm not going to talk too much. Let's listen to some fun music and enjoy. So I'm finally done making the wig. So now it's time to make these curls pop again because as you can see it looks a bit dry. So all I do is spritz some water on it, put some mousse in it, and that's about it. Just look at the difference the mousse and water will make. Honestly, look how these curls are popping. So the only thing left is cutting this damn lace off and putting this wig on my head. That is it for this video. Enjoy. Like always, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. If you're not subscribed, why are you here? And I'll see you guys in my next video. Let me also know what different hairstyles you would like me to do. Maybe color my hair or cut it. Whatever you want me to do, let me know in the comments below.